Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on the guitar and it's on the song Chosen, so let's get started. If you guys already know the song, you know that there's a main guitar part you hear. First I'm going to teach you the chords and then we'll go right into that. There's going to be three chords you're going to use. Is a D minor 7. Then we're going to use a S sharp minor 7. And the last chord is the E minor. Okay, so D minor 7, S sharp minor 7, and the E minor. So I'm going to play the guitar part one time through and then I'll explain it. So here it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so starting with the D minor 7, all we're doing is playing 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 4 strings going down, you're just going to go. Then we're going to go to the F sharp minor 7, and we're just going to play the 4 strings that you're playing on. So. And then for the E minor, we're actually going to play top string, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. So. Okay, so those are what we're playing. Now with the rhythm, it goes. And then the second time, it just goes. When you kind of listen to it, it sounds like they're only playing like 2 strings. So what I do is just so So that is pretty much how you play it. Those are the chords, picking, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't yet, go subscribe, give this video a like, and I guess I'll see you guys on the next video.